What if taking just 30 minutes out of your day could completely transform your heart, brain, and mood from the inside out? Most people think you need intense cardio or heavy lifting to see real health benefits. But neuroscience and physiology say otherwise. The moment you step out your front door and start walking, your body initiates a complex chain reaction across every major system. Within the first 5 minutes, your heart rate gradually rises, pumping fresh, oxygen-rich blood through thousands of miles of blood vessels. By minute 10, your joints begin releasing synovial fluid, a natural lubricant that reduces friction and protects your cartilage as you move. Crossing the 10-minute mark, your brain releases endorphins and serotonin, instantly lowering cortisol levels and lifting your mood. At 15 to 20 minutes, your body switches gears, drawing glucose from your blood to power your muscles and lower blood sugar spike risks. As you reach 20 to 30 minutes, deep cellular repair triggers, strengthening your immune system and flushing out metabolic waste. By minute 5, your breathing deepens to deliver a surge of oxygen to your lungs, feeding your bloodstream and expanding air sacs. Your blood vessels release nitric oxide, causing arteries to dilate and widening the pathway for smoother, lower-pressure blood circulation. This steady arterial expansion reduces the workload on your heart, building long-term cardiovascular resilience and keeping arterial walls flexible over time. As minute 10 arrives, blood flow to the brain increases by up to 15%, delivering essential glucose and oxygen to vital regions. This surge triggers the release of BDNF, a protein often called brain fertilizer that stimulates the growth of brand new neural connections. Over time, this daily BDNF release actively enlarges your hippocampus, the brain's memory center, sharpening recall and preventing age-related mental decline. Simultaneously, walking shuts down your body's fight or flight response, steadily dropping cortisol stress hormone levels in your blood. By minute 15, your mind settles into an alpha brainwave state, unlocking spontaneous creative thinking and effortless problem solving. By minute 15, your large leg muscles, the glutes and quadriceps, act like giant sponges, pulling glucose directly out of your bloodstream. This process happens independent of insulin, drastically lowering blood sugar spikes after meals and helping prevent long-term type 2 diabetes. At minute 20, your body activates lipoprotein lipase, an enzyme that breaks down stored visceral fat and converts it into usable physical energy. This metabolic shift increases your resting calorie burn, keeping your engine revving even hours after you take your final step. Unlike your circulatory system, your lymphatic system has no central pump. It relies entirely on muscular movement to flush out metabolic cellular waste. Walking pumps white blood cells and antibodies through your tissues at top speed, catching potential pathogens before they can take root. The rhythmic impact of every footstep creates microscopic mechanical stress on your bones, stimulating osteoblasts to build denser, stronger bone tissue. By minute 25, cartilage nutrition reaches its peak, absorbing water and essential nutrients like a sponge to keep joints pain-free. Reaching the final 5 minutes, the subtle swaying of your hips gently decompresses your spinal discs, relieving built-up pressure from sitting. Abdominal muscle contraction during your walk stimulates peristalsis, the smooth wave-like muscle movements that keep your digestive tract healthy and efficient. Completing 30 full minutes triggers mitochondrial biogenesis, signaling your cells to build new power plants, to increase your overall daily energy. In just half an hour, you've optimized your heart, flooded your brain with growth factors, stabilized blood sugar, and boosted cellular immunity. Doing this consistently reduces your risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 30% and significantly lowers overall mortality rates as you age. You don't need expensive gym memberships or extreme workouts, just 30 minutes of simple daily walking to completely rebuild your physical baseline.
At what time of day do you usually get your daily steps in? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Let us know in the comments below.
If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-backed health insights, and keep taking steps toward better health.